guys, it's Brenda Plays XD here, and today we're going to be playing the motorcycle game again. So this is where I left off to last video. Oh wow, my head just came off. Anyways, so yeah, we're going to be playing this game. So ooh, I was about to die there, but good thing I didn't, because that would be so horrible. And I would, as well, I would scream like, "God!" You wouldn't even know. Oh yeah. So, still, I haven't had a catchphrase, but from now on, I'll be saying XD or Brenda Plays XD. XD! 3 stars too, so I should be proud. Ooh. Oh. Got this. No! Ooh, dang it.
Can I help you, Isa?
Sure. But right after I'm done with this one.
No joke.
Ooh, 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 ooh.
Turn.
Oh, don't die. Don't die, don't die. No, don't die.
Go
Don't
ahead.
die.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Don't die. Yes, I did it.
Go again.
Yes. Aw, but I got one. Anyways. So Jonathan's gonna do the next one.
Boys Plays X.
So we're gonna come out there. I'm gonna get back to you guys until this ad is gone. So we're back, and so Jonathan's going to be doing it.
I am Boys Play. Nah! I am Boys Plays XD. Oh.
Yeah. So his Boys Plays XG, and
No, I do it too far. No.
let me try.
Harder. Oh no, I got bumped.
Let me try.
You wanna get that? Go
I
more
could do it.
Get more speed.
No. Okay, so
Let me try.
wait. Oh
Harder.
God. Hurrah.
Stop. Go back. You Yes, give me. I got this. I'm a pro. Yes. No.
But guys, on the next video, I will be playing usual.
P.
Don't say that.
Scrub. Did you go back? I keep going stop. You almost did.
Yes!
Yeah, you made it.
Wait, it's still my turn because I made it.
I got it. Did it.
No.
No. Bye, Rick.
Oh my God!
Give it.
Oh, I thought it was gonna be an ad. No thanks, no thanks, no thanks. Okay. So we're back on track.
Cookie.
Woo! Whoa! Nope. No.
Why not?
Until I die again. Woo! Woo! Nope. Oh. Woo!
Coming.
Whoa!
You have to walk. Coming.
Wait, let me try it again.
Faster.
Whoa!
Going get faster. Get
Get
faster. More fast.
Low. Boom.
Whoa.
No!
Cute.
Wait, let me see this. Let me sketch. Okay.
This is a little bit far.
Okay. I got.
Give me. Alright, do it already. Alright, honey, you go, man.
Jonathan, whistle?
Wait.
Yeah, whistle? That's his whistle. It's really loud.
I got a prize.
No! You're gonna make me. No! No!
Go a little bit. No.
No! Jonathan! It's gonna make me deaf.
Right. It's not.
No, it's gonna make me deaf! Okay, now do it.
Now?
Yeah. Not on the other one. On the other one. Dang it. Oh god, that was freaking loud.
Do it in my ear. Little bit.
Wait. Okay, guys. On the next video, I'll be playing Roblox. Subscribe and like. And kapow, I'm out.